back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Ayana, and you want to go ahead, press that subscribe button and that notification bell next to it so you will not miss NT videos from me. All right, let's go ahead and get into today's video. All right, y'all, so I'm super excited today. LUS actually sent me over some products to try for you guys. They actually just released their new Irish Sea Moss gel, so I'm super excited to be trying that out today for you guys. They also sent me over the LUS 3-step system as well, which is like the shampoo, conditioner, and a styler. I'm very excited to try this gel out, y'all. We about to see what it's about to be, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and do a small unboxing for you guys so I can show you what all came in my package and also what the products look like. All right, you guys, so let's get right into this. So the first thing they sent me was this cute t-shirt towel. I never had one of these and I thought it was so cute. It says love your curls on the side, so I thought that was super cute. The next thing they sent was a information card on how to use their products. They also sent me over their shampoo, which is the step 1 of their 3-step system, and then they also sent me the conditioner, which is the step 2 from the collection system as well. And then they sent me step 3, which is a all-in-one styler. And then the final thing they sent me, which is the star of the show, is their new Irish Sea Moss gel, y'all. So I'm super excited to try this out today. All right, you guys, so now that we did the unboxing, let's go ahead and get right into washing my hair today. I gotta wash my hair, y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and use the 3-step system that they sent over. So I'm gonna go ahead, wash my hair, condition, and then we'll be back to style. All right, you guys, so we're about to go ahead and do this wash day. I want to start this style on clean hair. If you are new to my channel, this is how I wash my hair. I drench my hair down with water using a spray bottle, and then I add the shampoo directly to the shaft of the hair. I'm going to be using LUS shampoo, which is the step 1 from the 3-step system that they have. I'm going to work this shampoo on the shaft of my hair, making sure to take out some of the tangles and shed hair that I have as well. This particular shampoo is sulfate free. It contains shea butter and moringa oil, and y'all know I love me some shea butter, okay? So I was super excited about that. But once I finished putting the shampoo on the shaft of my hair, I went over to the sink and scrubbed my scalp. And then after I rinsed the shampoo out, I went in with the second step, which is their conditioner. Their conditioner is silicone free, and it also contains shea butter and moringa oil as well. So I went ahead, drenched my hair down with some water. Since I don't wash my hair in the shower, I want my hair to be wet throughout the whole process. This conditioner strictly states that your hair needs to be wet when applying this conditioner. So I made sure my hair was wet, and then I applied this conditioner all around my head first before I went in and detangled. The conditioner also states that it needs to be sitting in your hair 3 to 5 minutes before you start detangling, and I highly recommend following the instructions because it did really soften up my hair and I was able to get through my tangles. Look at them juicy curls, okay? So I was able to get through my tangles very nicely and very easily, and then I went ahead and rinsed it out. All right, and I went in with their next product, which is the step 3 all-in-one repair, hydrate, and style product. This particular one they sent me is for kinky and coily hair, and this product still contains shea butter and moringa oil. And sticking with the theme of how these products work, your hair needs to be wet. So I was spraying my hair down with some water and then applying this directly to the hair. Then the star of the show. After I put in the all-in-one styling cream, I went in with the Irish Sea Moss gel. This is their new gel they just released. I wanted to do a Flexi rod set. I was definitely interested to see how strong this hold was on this gel for my thick type 4, y'all. This states that it is a medium hold gel, and it's supposed to aid in the repair of your hair. I also want to mention that this gel is silicone free and it doesn't contain any harmful ingredients like other gels, so you get the hold but without the crunch. And this gel pairs very, very well with the all-in-one step 3 styler that I just added into my hair, so it does recommend using that alongside with the gel, and it worked very, very well on my hair. All right, once I'm done putting in all the flexi rods, I sat under the hooded dryer for an hour just to help speed up my dry time. All right, you guys, so I'm back. It's been about 2 days since I let my hair air dry, And I also sat under the hooded dryer as you guys saw in the last clip. So we're about to go ahead and take these flexi rods down to see the results. I'm super excited, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and start taking down these flexi rods, and then I'll be back with my results. Small interruption right now, y'all. As I'm just taking these flexi rods out, I have high hopes right now, like very high hopes, because that gel, sea moss gel, has some hold. It looks so good, y'all. I'm about to be hyped. Alright, you guys, so I just finished taking down all the flexi rods, y'all, and I am extremely hyped right now. Like, my hair has some nice hold. The next thing I'm going to do is start separating, so I'm going to take my time with pulling the curls apart, fluff her out, and pick my hair out, and then I'll be back with my final thoughts, y'all. Alright, you guys, so this is my hair from just separating. Y'all, I love how this came out. And this was on freshly washed hair, and I know it's going to last because it has that hold. But y'all, I am so hyped right now. I keep looking in the mirror down here because I'm like, this is bomb. I'm about to go ahead and pick my hair out, and then I'll be back for real to talk about my results and everything about the sea moss gel. All right, y'all, so I'm back. I just picked out my hair and got rid of the parts and stuff. Y'all, I am in love right now. Look at, I know y'all see this, but look at it. Like, look at it. This looks so good. I will definitely be using this gel for another flexi rod set. Y'all, it's so pretty. I am so happy right now. As y'all can see, like, it is so pretty. Oh my goodness. All right, so my final thoughts on this Irish sea moss gel, y'all. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. My hair has some nice hold for it to be in a flexi rod set, y'all. Like, I literally feel like my hair will last. Like, it has, you can even, I can feel the hold on my hair, literally. Y'all, I love this Irish sea moss gel, y'all. I definitely recommend picking some up. LUS just came out with this gel not too long ago, so I highly recommend trying it out. This has a medium hold, and I also like with this gel that you can change how little or how much you'll need for your hair. And for me to have thick type 4 hair, y'all, this gel it did what needed to be done. And I also like that these two products work hand in hand together, and it also says for best results use this product. So I like that both of these products work hand in hand together. I didn't have any flaking going on or anything, so I really enjoyed using these products today, especially that gel. Like the gel, I'm sorry, is a star of the show right now. She is showing out. Okay, like I can definitely see myself picking that gel up again, y'all, because I absolutely love the hold on the gel. I love everything about how my hair is looking and feeling. I honestly feel like this will last based on how I'm feeling my hair right now. I love it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will also have LUS Brand's website down below in my description box for you guys, so definitely check their website out, y'all. This gel, it's A1. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share. Sharing is caring, so go ahead and do that. Don't forget you're beautiful, you're strong, you the best music. And I will see you guys in my next one. My name is Ayana Lachey, and I am the creator, the owner, and illustrator for Ayana Lachey Illustrations. I started Ayana Lachey Illustrations back on October 25th, 2019. I create my own illustrations for t-shirts, sweatshirts, wall decor, poster prints, and more things to come when I expand my catalog. I'm not going to tell you yet, but it's a bunch more to come. I aim for my illustrations and my brand to empower, encourage, and inspire our Black community out here, y'all. We really need this. Some deals that I have on my shirts and products on my site right now is if you sign up for the newsletters, you will receive 10% off your first order. And also when you sign up for the newsletter, you'll be in the know about when I launch new products, when I launch new designs, what's new to come, early bird access to the new designs, details on how I came up with a specific design or a specific collection, and you'll also get some exclusive deals on the newsletter. So make sure you go check out my website and my brand at www.ayanalacheyillustrations.com, and I'll see you guys over there rocking your gear.